Hi, my name is Alyssa Slutton and this is for my developmental psych class. I am going to be talking about my age project, and the group I decided to study was the first 2 years, so from birth to 2 years. And basically I observed in a daycare I observed a 1.5-year-old, so a little under a year and a half. So I just took note of her biosocial development. And one main thing I noticed between her and other 1.5-year-olds is she is up and walking pretty well. She doesn't need help to get up and walk. She's walking normal and doing really well at it compared to other children her age. I noticed some of them were a little behind and they weren't able to walk yet, or they just started, so they can only get a few steps in, so they're not really cruising around like she was. I also noticed that she was able to react to when someone were to either hand her something or try to communicate with her physically. So I would hand her something and then she would open and grab it from me and then give something back. So she's able to physically communicate that way to other people, which is right on track for her. One thing, this kind of has to go with cognitive, but another thing I noticed was she's not really talking or babbling yet. So that kind of correlates with biosocial, as in either her brain's not making those right connections, but also cognitively, because her brain might be making those right connections, it's just not being used or shown in the correct way. But yeah, those were some of my highlights. Overall, I saw a lot of good milestones from her that she's making. For her age, she was able to do all of the checklist except for the talking aspect. So yeah, that was my findings.